This is Buckos Math GED practice test number 1, question number 22. At Fat Cat Company, they have 96 employees, and there are 3 times as many women working there as men. How many women are working at Fat Cat? So you set this up as a simple algebraic equation with men plus women, because we're going to assume that there's only 2 sectors here. Men plus women is equal to the total workforce, which is 96. Now, the problem with that, it's a good start, but the problem with that is you've got 2 unknowns. You've got 2 variables, the M and the W. And it's easy to solve for 1, but it's a pain in the butt to solve for 2 at the same time. It's a good way to get confused. Try to do too much stuff at once. So we're going to take 1 variable and solve that at a time. So we're going to call MM, we're going to copy the plus, and for women we're going to say 3 times the number of men, because 3 times the number of men is equal to women. It tells you that from the problem. So instead of saying W, we're going to say 3M. That's legal. Now we only have 1 variable. We've just got M to solve for. So let's do that. We're going to find out men, but as soon as we find out men, we can find out the women. Men plus 3 men equals 96. M plus 3M is 4M is equal to 96. We want M alone, so we're going to have to get rid of that 4. The 4's got to go, so we get M alone. So to make that disappear, basically turn into 1, is 4 divided by 4, which is 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 1 times M is M. But if we divide by 4 on this side of the equation, we have to do the exact same thing to the other. Remember the teeter-totter rule. Whatever you do to the left, you got to do to the right. So 96 divided by 4 is 24. And that gives you the number of men. Now going back to the original thing, women is equal to 3 men. Women's is going to be 3 times what we said M was, is 24. Plug it in and take a ride on the numbers. W is equal to 3 times 24, which would be 72. And a way to prove that would be, add these 2 up, make sure you get 96. You do. 72 plus 24, you get 96. And then if you want to, you can multiply this times 3, and it better give you that. And it does. 3 times 24 is indeed 72.